channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about Christmas. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels and the SVG icons from Pixabay. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us, so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. The main color we will use for this title slide is red and its shades. First, we will color the background. Right click Format Background. We go to Fill Gradient Fill. We choose to put 3 gradient stops. We delete one. We go to the first gradient stop. We choose Color, Eyedropper. We choose the first color from the background from the left side outside of the design area. We go to the second gradient stop. We choose Color, Eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area, and we go to the third gradient stop, Color, Eyedropper, and we choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area. Now we want to insert an oval shape. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose and click Oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. We want to give dimensions, so we go to Shape, Format, Size, Height and Width 18 centimeter, or it's about 7.08 inches if you have inches in your settings. And we put it in the desired position. Now we want to go to right click Format Shape, we choose Line, Gradient Line, and we put 4 gradient stops. We put it in the desired position. We choose the first gradient stop, Color, Eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. Go to the second gradient stop, Color, Eyedropper. We choose again the first from the image is Line, the third gradient stop, Color, Eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side of the design area, and the last gradient stop, fourth, Color, Eyedropper. We choose the last color from the left side outside of the design area. Now we go to Width and we put 4.5 points. Now we want to insert Close Format Shape. We want to insert the image. We go to Insert, Picture, this device. We choose the picture that we want to insert and click Insert. Right click Cut, choose the circle, Format Shape, we just open, Picture or Texture Fill, to click Clipboard, and that's it. Now we want to insert some additional shapes. We go to Insert, Pictures, this device, we choose the Christmas image, Insert, we reduce the size of the image and we put it in the desired position. We go again, Insert, Pictures, this device, we choose the flakes with click and press, shift pressed and click, and we click Insert. We go to Graphics Format, Graphic Fill, we choose white color. And we reduce the size and we put it in the desired position. Now we want to insert the wave shape. We go to Insert, Shapes. We choose from stars and banners the wave shapes. Click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Size, Height, 8 cm. It's about 3.14 inches if you have inches in your settings, and 17.5 centimeter width. It's about 6.88 inches if you have inches in your settings. And we put it in the desired position. Right click, send to back. Now we want to change the color, Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, Shape Outline, No Outline. Then we want to insert a rectangle. Let's go to Format Picture, Line, to adjust the gradations, to not have differences in these colors. Close Format Picture, and now we go to insert a rectangle. We want to insert shapes. We choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, Shape Outline, No Outline. Right click, send to back. Now we will insert our title. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose a body extra light font, size 40, bold, color, white, and we write our title. Shift apostrophe, Joyful, Jingles, Embracing the magic of Christmas. Close apostrophe. And now we go to Shape Format, Text Effects, Transform, and we choose from Warp the fifth column, first in a row. Now we want to insert our presenter's name. We go to Insert, we choose Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose a body extra light font again. 20 size, color white, and we write our presenter's name by Martha G. Santos. We go shape format, text effects, transform, warp, wave down, and that's it. Now it's time for animation. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. We go to the circle with the image, we go to animations, entrance, bounce, start with previews, duration 2. We go to the wave, entrance, glow and turn, start after previews, duration 1. We go to the rectangle, entrance, glow and turn, start with previews with a wave, duration 1. We go to the image 1, we click entrance zoom, start with previews, duration 0.50, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the image 2, entrance zoom, start with previews, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the third image, entrance zoom, start with previews, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the fourth image, entrance zoom again, start with previews, duration 0.50 as it is, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the title, entrance, we want more entrance effects, and we go to moderate compress. OK, start after previews, duration 1, effect options as one object as it is. Now we go to the image 1 again, image 2, the snowflake. We go to add animation, emphasis, spin, start with previews, duration 2, effect options, clockwise full spin as it is. We go to the third image, add animations, emphasis, spin, start with previews, duration 2, effect options, clockwise full spin as it is. The third image, emphasis, add animation, emphasis, spin, start with previews, effect options, duration 2, effect options, clockwise full spin. We go to the presenter's name, entrance, more entrance effect, moderate compress, click OK, start with previews, duration 1, effect options as one object as it is. And now we go at the slideshow button, we click it to see the final result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!